guys, the locating brackets for the milling wires was made. It composed of 3 parts. The first is the 1 millimeter tape here. The second is the frame, is 1.5 millimeters thicknesses. The third part is this ray. It's also 1.5 millimeter thicknesses. And here the guy is mounted by the screw. So when this guy fits on the table groove not very well, or the position is not very good, we can adjust it by adjust this screw. And the milling wires will fit on this recessed area exactly, and also that's for this guys on the slot. Now here, let's see the milling table. The milling wires originally located at that level, and before I made this aluminum post, it's just a little bit higher than the height of the wires. So I need to make this locating brackets in a thickness of 1 mm. Otherwise, the milling wires will be higher than this post, and this post is used to locate the sub-mounting points here. What are the use of them? Firstly, I made these locating brackets. Whenever I need to use the whole table surface, or I need to put on some large accessories on the milling table, such as a 5th axis that I'm going to make in futures, I need to take out this milling wires, and afterwards I need to put back on. With having this locating brackets, I can easily put on table in a correct parallel position. Another alternative is I can remove out this milling wires, and I will install this sub-mounting brace on this post. For milling some thin sheets of materials, I can put on here, or milling some other parts I can put on here, and in that levels the spindle can access on the workpiece easily. Because without this sub-mounting plate, the thin workpiece located on this table, the spindle cannot travel to a very low position. remember that this machine has only 100mm Z-axis travel, so this sub-mounting plate is very useful.